In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Asana account. If you've decided it's time to part ways with this productivity tool, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, so you can do it confidently and swiftly. Let's dive in. First, make sure that you're logged into your Asana account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to look for your profile icon, which is typically located at the top right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to managing various account settings, so go ahead and click on this icon to open up a drop-down menu. Now within this menu, you're going to locate and click on the Settings option. This option will direct you to a new page where you can manage different aspects of your account. It's designed to give you control over your personal and project data. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with these options if you're not already. Next, in the Settings menu, you need to find and click on the Account tab. Here, it's a good idea to double-check your information, especially if you might need any of it after you've deactivated your account. Under the Account tab, you'll discover the option for deactivating your account. Clicking here will bring up a prompt asking you to confirm your decision. It's essential to remember that deactivating your account will remove access to all the data associated with it, so make sure you're ready to proceed. If there's any important information or data that you might need later, it's a wise idea to save it now, before going further. Recovering your account after it's deactivated can be quite complex, and you might not get back any information you didn't save beforehand. Finally, to confirm the deactivation of your account, you'll need to click on the Deactivate button. This action will complete the process, and you will no longer have access to that Asana account. It's as simple as it sounds, yet it's a significant step that ensures your decision is final and complete. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Asana account. Hopefully this process was clear and easy to follow. We strive to make our guides as straightforward as possible. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Your support helps us continue providing these valuable guides. Until next time, take care and happy organizing.